If speaking English clearly and confidently, like a native speaker, is your dream, then I'm here to help. Imagine what it would feel like to communicate in English in a way that you feel 100% confident that you will be understood the first time you speak, every time. No more being asked, "What did you say?" or "Can you repeat that?" You are able to communicate clearly in a way that others easily understand and respect. This is possible for you, and it's not as difficult as you think. Join me right now in the Pronunciation Pro online training program, where I will provide you a proven path to follow that will help you go from feeling insecure and frustrated with the way that you speak English to feeling proud and confident every time you use your voice. Click the button now and let's start this journey together. Your voice is important and needs to be heard. If you're ready to speak English clearly and with greater confidence, I invite you to join me at pronunciationpro.com.